ko diri sa syudad sa Bacolod. Ang ginpangabay sa Victorias na magtulong isang between 6 to 8 cubic meters of residual waste, which is equivalent to 1 truck per month. So after our meeting, kanang higit kasi po, this is where we are coming from, and we also know where you are coming from. Our intention is really to help man sa atong fellow LGUs, no? But after our meeting, which is very fruitful, Mayor Junbi wrote me this afternoon and mentioned that we respectfully refer to their letter of intent with regards to the expressing the city government of Victoria's interest in utilizing the sanitary landfill, which is almost tapos na, for the disposal of their residual waste. So, and I quote, after further assessment of our current solid waste management arrangements and priorities, we respectfully withdrew our letter of intent from further consideration. So, in our discussion this morning, I told them I hope the relationship between the LGUs will not be affected by our mutual discussion. So, as a result, I will send this to the Sangguniang Pangunsod for your own perusal of the decision that you are also going to make. And mga kauturan, before I close this afternoon,